we have to realize that this isn't just a matter of having the right information at our fingertips. In other words, in some ways, we're treating this as if it's just a question of who has the best data, who has the best evidence, who has the best arguments. That's all relevant. Clearly, this is a question of knowledge. On the other hand, having a debate, having a conversation, requires certain, what some people call virtues. That is, it requires you to have certain dispositions and character traits that make it possible for us to have a conversation where we can disagree and not hate each other. And interestingly, the New Testament lays out a picture of what the Christian community is supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like Jesus. We are supposed to emulate the virtues that Christ exhibited, and those are compassion, patience, humility, love, wisdom. So sometimes I think the science-religion dialogue, the faith and science encounter, has too often got fixated on what's the right bits of knowledge, and we haven't yet asked ourselves, well, how can we become the kind of people who could even have this conversation? And that's my real burden, is to see how can we prepare the church, very widely understood, to be able to have this conversation well. That doesn't mean we've got it all figured out, doesn't mean that we're not after truth. It's just, in some ways, the process is as important as the product.